Hello children, let's learn about the letters of the alphabet. Let's learn about the letter G. The letter G says G in words. Can you make this sound? To make the G sound, open your mouth a little and put your tongue towards the back of your throat. Then release the sound by using your voice. Now say the sound G. You can say the G sound in a quick burst like this. G. Say the word goat slowly and listen to the sound of the letter G at the beginning. Practice saying G, goat, and notice how your tongue feels when it moves towards the back of your mouth. Now, let's meet some words that begin with the letter G. G, gate. G, grass. G, gorilla. G, gift. G, globe. The G sound can also be heard at the end of words like log. L or G, log. Bag. B A G, bag. And bug. B A G, bug. Place your hand on your throat as you say the G sound and notice the vibration. This happens because G is a voiced sound. Now let's air write uppercase letter G. You can take your pointer and middle finger and air write as we go along. To write an uppercase G, start below the top, curve up around to the middle, stop, pull in. Let's try this again. Start below the top, curve up around to the middle, stop and pull in. You can pause this video and practice some more. Now let's air write lowercase letter G. You can take your pointer and middle finger and air write as we go along. To write lowercase g, start below the middle, curve up, around, up, pull down, under, curve in. That's how you write lowercase g. Let's try this again. Start below the middle, curve up, around, up, pull down, under, curve in. We hope you enjoyed watching this video. There are many more letters to learn about in this series, so do keep watching.